It's a big box, and I can't feel anything inside it. Just feels like a box of air. It is a smartwatch. This one has a round dial. Lovely round dial. Built-in Alexa. Alexa, man, that chick gets around, you know? She's everywhere. And you will like it. Okay. What have we got here? It has a 1.38-inch color display. Let's see if we can get this in here. Heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitoring, Bluetooth call, encoder crown. That's most of the time they just spin around. They don't do anything. So that's nifty. IP68 waterproof, 100 sports mode, which is probably like 92 too many, but you know, it's nice to have the option. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Am I right? So, interesting presentation. After sale service. You know, it's always a good sign when companies are actually concerned with after sales service. IDW 18 smartwatch. I have already tested an IDW 19 smartwatch. That might just be the software or something. Languages aplenty. Top row appears to be English. App download, Very Fit app, which is a common app used by many of these watches. You know, I like this. I think it's metal because it's kind of cold to the touch, which is kind of, you know, plastic doesn't do that. You know what? This one is sharp. The watch band is ribbed and it seems to be made out of a different sort of plastic and or silicone. And yes, you can feel it. I don't know if you can hear that. It gets close here. The it does the clicky thing when you turn the button. You know, a lot of them, they just spin round and round and round. They don't do anything. But apparently this one is a rotary encoder. I don't know what you're coding with a watch, but magnets seem to be strong, which is important with these types of things. Okay, spinny. This one is fully charged right out of the box. Download the Very Fit app. Same. Okay, so if you like the look of this one and you want me to do the 3-day test, I've got a couple of 3-day tests coming up. So if you want to see what it's like to live with any of these watches, you know, subscribe. And when we start doing the tests, you'll get to see that. This is a very nice looking watch, I gotta say. I like the, if you got a nice metal watch band for this, especially if it were like a anodized black type of thing, this would be a sharp watch, and I don't think this is very expensive. Check the link in the description. and you'll see what the price is. I don't like to say the prices on these things because they change, they vary, and then the information is bad, and I don't want to give you bad information. So yeah, Smartwatch IDW18 Black. You know, and like a lot of these things, there isn't really a brand name. Okay, so yeah, keep an eye if you like this one. I think this one's cool.